Hello, it is August 15th. The last time I checked up on you was August 9th.
Okay.
We've had stuff going on. It just seems to keep coming.
It just keeps coming.
So, let's talk about where we are now. The last time we filmed, we had staged all of this so that our friends could get an idea of where we were headed.
Yep.
But now you're back at work.
I'm back at work and working on tools.
I see that. So another calamity? What happened?
Yeah, belt sander. It runs, or the motor runs, but the gearing and the belts are not moving, not spinning.
Well, not moving, not spinning doesn't work very well with the belt sounder now, does it?
No, it doesn't. So
and didn't we get that as something that somebody else was getting rid of?
It worked fine up until just a few minutes ago.
Yeah, but I mean, didn't we?
Yeah.
We didn't buy a new.
We did.
So, and who knows how it was maintained? Though I think the guy who had it probably maintained it pretty good.
He might have, but I mean,
it's old.
It's probably 50 or 60 years old anyways.
So were we. Okay, so kind of give me a quick lowdown on
I don't remember
things.
exactly where we were before, but I don't know. I don't think we were that far along.
I think you did some more work on the tub, if I remember correctly.
So yeah, I got some plumbing done, finished up around. We can't really see from here because it's all under there, so you can't really see.
But you framed out the side.
Framed out the tub, so now it doesn't fall. It's nice and secured to the wall. Trimming out a few things here, figuring out the rest of the plumbing, how to conceal that. Working on the bathroom sink, trying to push it against the wall as tight as we can to minimize the space on it. So just working on getting all that, and that's why I was working on the sander. But anyway.
And you got the new handles in for the windows.
Yeah.
And I see you tried out one of those.
So it does work, but I need to cut down the posts because it is longer, but it is also longer here, so you're not knuckle dragging against the thing.
That's kind of nice. And you put in bottoms into the cabinets.
I've got them lightly set in, and they're not fit or anything. We still need to epoxy those. Was able to find seals online finally. I've been looking everywhere for these, so they're hidden in some weird name. I forget what I put in, and they just started to pop up on Amazon because it isn't labeled what you think it would be.
Or at least what we would think it would be.
It's like
our brains work different. We're left-handed.
It was like something like female spinner insert, something that sounds weird
and dirty.
Yeah. Yeah, so I got those in here for the sink. I need to put them in for the tub. I don't know, I forget where else we were.
I think that's a lot of it. I'm hoping to get back in here and maybe do paint and epoxy or whatever on those. I did start epoxy on the panel for the tub because we had leftover epoxy for another theme park gig that we got called in on. So it just keeps coming. Good news, jury duty. You called for today.
Well, for today, so I don't have to go in next week, but
he has to check again.
But I have to check in next Friday, and I have to do it for the next month. So every Friday, I have to call in and see if I'm scheduled for the next week.
Isn't that a pain in the ass? Pain.
Yes. What you said.
Always an adventure?
Always.
Always.